What's going on, guys? Night Crew here with another video. Today we're going to be installing the Tesla radio that was in my truck into Zach's truck.
Alright guys, the last video that we did on the Tesla radio, we kind of skimmed over the wiring, so this is going to be a more detailed video explaining all the wiring. Alright guys, now that we got the bezel off, these are going to be the wires for your AC controls. You're going to want to unplug these three. Alright guys, once you get this bezel off, there are 5 clips that you unplug, the wiring clips. There's one here, one that goes right there, this one goes here, and there's 2 right here. Alright guys, once you get this stock radio pulled out, there are, looks like 4 wires that you want to remove from the back of the radio.
Alright guys, so somewhere along the way when I totaled my truck, took everything out, the screen on the radio does not work, but we're just going to show you a detailed version of all the wiring of it. So the first thing you got is this is your main power wiring harness, and basically it just, it plugs straight in to your factory harness. This one never wants to work. There it goes. And plugs in to the bottom. I'll show you that in a second. There it goes. And then you've got this harness, which it controls your factory
the backup camera.
And it just plugs into this one. Everything's labeled. Like this is reverse camera.
And that's this is the only wire that you need from this harness right here. He used an aftermarket backup camera. My truck comes with a stock backup camera, so you just need these 2 for a stock. All this other wiring's for the aftermarket backup camera.
This one right here is for your USB that's in the center console, and it just plugs straight in.
Goes into that gray clip from the factory harness.
And then your antenna plugs straight into the back here.
The white.
And it comes with an adapter. You just plug it in, you can plug it into the back. And with this radio, you do lose your Sirius XM, but after that, you plug in your AC controls, and it's different for like the higher end models. It just plugs straight into this one, or if it's like the 4 or 7 speed, I believe, it plugs straight into this one. That's the only difference. I think that's it.
Well,
this is for the GPS.
Yeah, this is GPS. It plugs in right there, that blue one.
And you could just put it, I think I mounted mine right above the,
so it has the back where it's sticky, so you can just put it underneath there and just
put it right here. That's what
wherever you want to put it underneath there.
As long as it doesn't have metal above it, because that will block all of the GPS signal. And it also came with this is the Wi-Fi. So
yeah, the Wi-Fi antenna.
Connect your phone to it and watch whatever you want to. It also came with, came with this red and blue, or red and yellow, and that's for if you had the factory DVD player, or,
and then
I think this one's,
you want to show this one? This one's the,
oh yeah, for mine, we actually took this and there's a plug in the back, and we plugged up a DVD player and put it in the center console of my truck, and you could watch pretty much whatever movies you wanted, and it would work perfectly fine, played perfectly fine.
Yeah, I think that's it for the radio. These, like he said, these wires right here are for the AC.
Shifter knob.
Yeah, the gear shift, the 4-wheel drive,
Traction control.
and all that. And that's basically it with the wiring.
Everything, like I said, everything was plug and play. Everything works perfectly. It's just somewhere along the way the screen went out, blew a fuse, I don't know, somewhere inside the motherboard.
The only thing that isn't plug and play is this wiring right here, and that is if your truck does not come with the factory backup camera. So that's what this is. The rest is, everything else is plug and play. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. That's just us showing you the wiring, because that radio was destroyed in his accident. But if you enjoyed the video, leave it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.